we're in Germany. Yes, we are in Germany, and it's time for another webcam. We've already done 3, and this is to be our 4th webcam for our trip here in the great country of Germany. And we're just kind of setting up and checking out the area and checking our phones because we got to access the camera. That little trailer thing, this umbrella is right there. That big umbrella over there. Two posts? Here. Here. Or here. I don't. In my picture, I don't have you there.
Oh,
you're out. Oh, I see. Oh. Fatty Chicky, you can actually move the image sideways to get the whole square. Ooh. Are you excited that you're waiting?
Yes, very excited.
Excellent. You? Are you excited?
Well, it would be more exciting if the beer garden were serving me a beer.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Unfortunately, it's too early for that, even in Germany. And the webcam is right up there on the side of the building, right there in the yellow strip. So that's where we're looking. Seems like this webcam is updating every 5 minutes or so. You gotta make your webcam picture interesting, so I'm gonna lay right here in the front and wait and roast. Gotta move. I might not have been in the picture, so I gotta be right here. Are we ready?
For what?
Cheese. Okay, we gotta check the webcam again. Out, boom, back, webcam.
Oh, yep, it updated.
Woohoo!
It's on the ground.
I'm on the ground. Yay! There I am. Woohoo! Webcam number 102. Not that anybody's counting. Looks like this webcam is running live off of YouTube. And I can see there's umbrellas over there, closed umbrellas over here. But I'm not getting into the picture. And I should be in it right here. Oh, it's slightly off. I'm in it now. Yeah, it's not quite live.
Oh.
It's out just a bit. So if I stand here.
So that's it out up there?
Yeah. I'll end up being on the line. You're still standing over there. Yeah, the webcam is up there on that building right there. And the image is, oh, you're walking across towards me now. The image is not live, but about 1 minute to 2 minutes out. Now, we're all together. Boom. Got it. Lyric class is just working on it, and Outsiders 2 and Blue Quasar already have this webcam from a previous trip. So this is webcam number 4 for our trip, and webcam number 103, I think. There you go. I see an image coming up. Nope, it's pointing behind us. It's
Which
not,
side are we doing?
We got to go on the other side of the fountain. So we have to stand on this side of the fountain. Oh, I think I see myself now. That's not me. So I could get 2 cameras to choose from, and they're running live right there, waiting for the webcam to go back. So both cameras updated 12 minutes from before now, and just waiting for it to update. However long it takes, every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, I don't know. It's a waiting game with these webcams. You got to figure it out. They're standing on the other side, and you can see them over above the thing. I just think this angle to me shows more, and I think I see them. You know? Yeah, they're standing in that area there. Okay, our image is captured when I was standing on the other side of the fountain, and all 4 of us are there in that image. And now it's time for lunch. That one was rather satisfying because the webcam coordinates that show on the map are not where the webcam is, and you have to figure out from the images where the webcam actually is located. And that's something that we didn't do ahead of time. Didn't spot that it was not where it was listed. And it was Outsiders 2 that noticed and said, hey, this looks like this webcam is in Brillen. So we kind of did a little quick look, found the mark plats that we needed to stand in for the webcam, and there was 2 cameras to choose from, one side or the other, and we finally got it. So that's kind of a fun part of that. This webcam is that it wasn't just there, you had to figure out where to go. This could be a tough one. Last update was about 45 minutes ago. It's 6:06 now, and the last update was 5:30. So we just got to sit and wait. But then, how long do you wait?
I don't know how to use my stand.
We completed the adventure lab, and now we're working out the final coordinates for the bonus cache. And then I just happened to look up the webcam image, and there are Outsiders 2 and the Blue Quasar in the image. Lyric Lass and I had just walked away and sat down on the bench to do the second question. Son of a... And we're all in. We got the image. But one thing that's odd is the time in the upper right corner is off by about 25 minutes, I think. Yeah, it's off by about 25 minutes. Because the time says 6 o'clock, but when the image came through, it was 6:25. The Lyric Lass is just bringing the link up to get her picture so she can post her log. Another webcam in Germany, which they're adding up.
Oh, it is the cars.
Is that us there?
Can you take a picture again? I'm
think
just
that's
turning
us.
on my camera.
Yeah?
Like the flashlight, see if it's refresh it.
I see what you mean. Turn your camera up. Turn your flashlight on. That's what Judy just did, and it shows up. Yep, we're there.
Up there?
Yep, 4 lights, and if you zoom in, you can see 4 lights. Good idea, Judy. God, what a brilliant idea.
There you go.
Kudos to you. Yeah, it looks like this car right here is in the picture. Yeah, we're there. There we are, all in line. Just had to figure out where to stand, where that car was, and the cool street that we're on. Nice. Another webcam. Imagine that.
This is another one of these not at the posted coordinates.
No, I didn't make any notes.
Link reserve webcam.
Yeah. Unless you did. Oh, you might have. Wait a minute, you might have emailed it to me. I see a Market Square, but it's not where we are. That's in Rintown.
We were looking at it last night.
I know, but you didn't give this one to me. I don't. All I have is 2. All right, so we gotta investigate the logs for pictures. Webcam dot RINTEIN LN
TELN
.de. That's not here.
Wasn't there something more to it though or something? The marketplace is here.
Yeah, I know, but this isn't the picture.
Well, we're nowhere near the posted coordinates. I know that.
I thought we were standing right on the posted coordinates. Oh yeah, we gotta keep walking. This looks better. So that's the view looking down from the webcam, kind of in that direction. You see that? Just like that. Oh, and I see us. Now. Yeah, we're all looking away the wrong direction. Are we in? Are we in? Are we in? Slightly delayed webcam, and we got the right coordinates, got the right square, and this is a beautiful one. This is a beautiful one. It's got all the Bavarian style architecture with the white stucco and the wood beams all around it. Almost every building has it, except the one right there has all stone. That's pretty cool. I don't know. Are we there already? Yeah. I don't know if I could get it.
I had everybody in a diamond shape when we were all walking, so I put my name already.
You haven't seen it yet, but it's almost traditional. After we get a webcam photo done, we stop and get ourselves a beverage. Cheers. It's all about the beer. Never mind the webcams.
But Dave, there's only so many webcams in the world. Does that mean you're going to quit drinking beer after you're done them all?
Yep.
As if.